Hello, my name is Charlie, and I'm at Auntie Candace's party, and I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
Hey YouTube, it's Candace Janae. I'm a Christian entrepreneur, author, and speaker. I spend my time traveling, spending time with family, and creating content. I love helping women build profitable businesses, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Candace Janae, and I am doing the apartment reveal to my niece. So it's time. All right.
Your apartment?
Yeah, this is my apartment.
I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
Are you gonna stay here?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here. What do you like about it?
Good. Take your shoes. I'll take your shoes off right here.
Yeah, you wanna see my bedroom?
Yes. Yeah, and I want to see your bedroom. Oh, I just got something. Put water over here. Right, I can put my water over here. I spilled a little bit on the floor.
It's okay, we can get it up.
So pretty here.
It's so pretty.
I can see the hotel. Wait, are we going to stay here?
No, we're not gonna stay here. I just wanted to show you my apartment. What do you think? Tell the camera.
Good.
Tell my YouTube channel. What do you think?
It's good.
Why do you like it?
Because I do.
What's your favorite thing in here?
The bed.
What color is the bed?
Pink.
Pink.
We went there to pee.
Yes, you went there to pee.
Now can I open this?
Yeah, you can have your Tic Tacs, baby girl. All right, tell them bye.
Bye.
Wave. Bye.
Bye.
I feel like you guys have seen a bit of my living area, and I want to do the big reveal for that, but I'm like, should I share with you guys what I've done so far with my bedroom? I think I may. It's not what I want it to be, but this is my bed. It's cute, it's pink, but I actually moved the table that was underneath that into the bathroom. That's what y'all saw. And then over there, I didn't even get what do you call it? Bedside tables. I just ended up getting these I got bedside tables instead of getting, what do they call those things with drawers, the little drawer things? Nightstand, that's what it's called. I don't have anything to currently house clothes that need to be folded up. So that's something that I need to get and haven't put any effort into. And it's primarily because look at my closet, y'all. There's so much space in my closet and everything fits. And I just hung everything up. So everything's in there. So I'm not really pressed to get something that needs drawers and stuff, but I definitely do. Now, let me tell y'all about this thing that I got at Target right here. This right here, this is a little rolling shoe rack. And you basically just put your shoes on here and it fit I want to say fit 30 of them. I'm gonna show y'all in more detail. So the top of it looks a little raggedy, but basically you just put your shoes on here and it has two sides to it. I'm not bringing it out, but it's really great because you can tuck your shoes away instead of it being out in the open. All right, so this is the newest update to my place. I have decorated over there and over here. So I've rearranged my furniture a few times, and this is, I feel the final kind of look that I've been appreciating because it gives me space to, y'all see right there that I got my tripod up so that when I film content, it can be from over there. But I got these couches from, I think I already told you guys, from a local store, and they sell Ashley furniture stuff. And I love them because they're so they're just smooth. But one thing for me is I love for stuff to be you know, functional as well. So they're very comfortable. I fall asleep on that couch quite a bit. I got these pillows, that one, this one, and those over there. I got them from Target. And then over here, I've got this rug. You guys can see my slippers. I got this rug from At Home stores, and these tables as well. These are from the local furniture store. They also are Ashley Home stores as well. And then down here, you guys see I got this Dior book. I actually got that while I was in Paris. It's like a magazine that they gave, so that was cool, you know. And then over here, I got, this is my Amazon Fire TV. And then this is actually like, I got this from Amazon, like this TV stand. And I decorated most of those things from either like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I think that's like a Ray Dunn clock down there. And then I ended up picking up that you guys saw me pick up from the prop space at Target, some candles, all of that. So this is how I have turned things out. And then over there is my workspace that is honestly a mess. I'm like in the middle of cleaning up, but over here, I did this cute little arrangement that I did at Target. So all of these things I got from Target, and it's funny because this, I thought, like, I saw this earlier when I went shopping in October for like my content shoot. I didn't think that it would really kind of match the vibe that I was going for, but this ended up being on sale at Target like during Christmas time for like $9, so I just grabbed that. And then this I got from TJ Maxx, and it was like $15. I got this, I think this was like maybe 10 bucks. And then these like vase fillers from Target as well. And then these little candles that were like on sale at Target for like $3. They were like on clearance. They're on sale at Target for $3 around the holidays. And I forgot where I got these coasters, but they're literally like the best coasters. I've had them since I bought the apartment because I knew I wanted gold, but I literally love these coasters. And same thing goes, I got this tray from there. So I really just wanted to find something that would like take up space. And now in my home, I really need to figure out what to do with this wall over there. Cause I've found ways to like decorate everything else in some capacity. And oh, I didn't tell y'all about my favorite thing in here is my mirror. Okay, y'all see my mirror. This mirror, I bought this from like Home Goods years ago, okay? And it has gone and stayed with me at every apartment I've ever had. So it's the one thing I've kept. And these little side tables also are from that Ashley Home Store situation. This I bought like years ago as well from like Burlington, I think. No, I actually got that during the pandemic in 2020, either Burlington or TJ Maxx. But there is how I have done things, and I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to that wall up there, and then that all the way over there. All right, y'all. Well, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. And as always, I appreciate you guys, but I definitely want feedback from y'all on what else you think I need additions to while I'm here. And oh my God, I forgot to show y'all something super special, which is like my art on my wall. I plan to have like a much bigger collage. I think I want to put like, what do you call it? Like hanging plants, like, cause I get a lot of really great lighting in here. So that is everything. As always, hit that subscribe button. And when you do, let me know so that I can welcome you to the family. And other than that, I hope that you're taking care of yourself. I know 2020 2021 wasn't the easiest year for a lot of people. So I'm just praying that you really take care of your mind and prioritize your mental health, prioritize self-care, and stay connected with me. All right, so love y'all. Drop some comments down below to let me know what y'all think I should do next. And if you have recommendations of Black-owned businesses I may be able to support in adding to my art collections, home decor, and things like that. All right, bye.